Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to zoom in or zoom out and flip camera while recording Instagram stories. If you are recording Instagram story and now you want to zoom in or zoom out or flip camera, so let's see how can you do this. First, you just have to open your Instagram app and here go to create a story. Just tap on plus icon and here select story and here's the camera will be appear. You just have to keep a long press on this to record the story, or if you want to zoom in, so just flip it up, move it up, but if you want to zoom out, so just flip it down or move it down. And if you want to flip camera, so just tap on this icon while recording, just select it and the camera will be flipped. Now select it again and camera will flip again. And after recording, you just have to release it, and here you can see the video recording has been done. You just have to tap on share icon to share it as a story. So that's how you can easily zoom in, zoom out and flip camera while recording Instagram stories. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.